Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding video in the VN editor. First, open the VN app on your device and tap the plus icon to start a brand new project. Next, select all the video clips or photos you wish to use for your sliding effect. Once imported, arrange them in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. This crucial first step sets the foundation for your dynamic visual story. Now, let's add the sliding motion. Select the clip you want to animate and tap the keyframe icon, which looks like a diamond. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want the slide to begin. Add your first keyframe, then adjust the clip's position on the screen. Move the playhead a bit further, add a second keyframe, and reposition the clip to its endpoint for the slide. To make your slide look professional, utilize the curve tool found between your keyframes. This allows you to smooth out the motion, making it accelerate or decelerate gracefully. You can also adjust the overall duration of each clip to control the timing of your slides. Feel free to experiment with various slide directions and speeds to achieve your desired visual effect. With your sliding effects in place, it is time to add the finishing touches. Enhance your video by adding background music, engaging text overlays, or creative filters. Always preview your entire project from start to finish to ensure all transitions and timings are perfect. Finally, export your masterpiece in the highest quality available, ready to share with your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.